Hello, you gotta have that image, so let's edit the image by using the selection tool. Use the filters. We will make the tiles. Make 30 tiles there. There it is. Again deselect and make the selection on that side. Go to the filter gallery where we will pick up some further filters. There are. We will try out all the filter so that we can get a realistic filter there. It's a sketch here. Increase the darkness. So that it is.